Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Battle Pass XP in Vanguard. Earning Battle Pass XP is crucial for unlocking all those awesome rewards. The most straightforward method is simply playing the game. Every match you complete, whether you win or lose, contributes to your Battle Pass progression. Focus on playing regularly to see consistent gains. Remember, every bit of effort helps you climb those tiers faster and unlock new content. To truly maximize your Battle Pass XP, consider playing objective-based modes like Domination or Hardpoint. These modes often reward more experience for playing the objective, not just getting eliminations. Also, performing well in matches, securing high scores, and earning kill streaks will significantly increase your XP. Don't forget to team up with friends. Playing in a party can sometimes provide a small experience bonus, making the grind more enjoyable and efficient. Beyond just playing matches, there are several other avenues for earning Battle Pass XP. Make sure to complete your daily and weekly challenges, as these often provide a significant chunk of experience. Keep an eye out for any limited-time events that pop up, as they frequently offer unique ways to earn extra XP. Even some weapon and operator challenges can contribute to your overall Battle Pass progression, so always check your challenge menu. Remember, consistency is your best friend when it comes to Battle Pass progression. Even short, regular play sessions will add up significantly over time. Prioritize challenges that naturally fit your playstyle to make the grind feel less like work and more like fun. And hey, while you're optimizing your gaming, why not optimize your life too? Make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these containers, plus other great deals to enhance your gaming setup and daily routine. Happy grinding and enjoy those rewards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.